Let's take a very quick look at Python variables, right? First of all, the name variable is actually a placeholder. It's a placeholder to refer to different values by a name. So the variable is the name. That name can be of any length, but it can only be made up of three things. It can be made up of letters A through Z, small letters or capital letters. It can have numerals 0 through 9, or it can have an underscore. Okay. With that said, the first character of a variable name, it cannot be a number. Okay, so it has to start either with underscore or with A through Z. Python is case sensitive, so it's not a good idea to use capital X and small x in the same program. Okay, because they are two different variable names and that could be confusing and could lead to errors. So be careful. And finally, there are a few reserved keywords, right? The words like for and while and or and def, these cannot be used as variable names because they are reserved. With that said, let's take a look at our Jupyter notebook and see how variables work. Okay, so in this Jupyter notebook, I start off by saying x is equal to 3. The variable name is x and its value is 3. The variable name called name is Ali. Okay, notice that it is within quotation. Now, if you say type of name, it should tell you that it is a string. Okay, whereas type of x is a float 3.0. We already saw the rules. Let's see if we can answer this. What will happen if I run this cell? VAR1 is 60, VAR1 is 78, VAR1 plus 11 star 4. So let's take it step by step. We overwrite VAR1 to be 78, and then if we do 7, so now it's here in the third line, the value is 78. 78 plus 11 star 4, 44, 78 plus 44, 122. What will happen if we run ABC plus 1? Let's try it. We probably get an error because ABC has not been defined, right? It says, I don't know what ABC is, so I don't recognize the name. X is equal to ABC. Notice that it is within quotes, so in red color, so it's a string. And see here what happens. If we do XYZ is equal to hello, and then you print XYZ, it will print hello. But then if you say that again, you overwrite it and say XYZ is equal to 22.34, and then you print that, it changes its value and then prints both hello and 22.34. Okay, those are some of the very basics of Python variables. Be sure to watch the other videos on arithmetic operations, strings, as well as on control of flow. Thank you.